Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you this Haitian Confiture Chadeque recipe, also known as Grapefruit Marmalade. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. First, you're going to remove the zest from 2 grapefruits. For this recipe, all you'll need is just the white part of the grapefruit. After removing the white part, we're going to cut them down into smaller pieces. To remove the bitterness from the grapefruit, we're going to boil the grapefruit for 10 minutes. We're going to drain it, then we're going to repeat the process 3 times. Then we're going to drain the grapefruit, add 4 cups of water, 4 cups of sugar, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 4 star anise. For this recipe, I did use a candy thermometer. I allowed the mixture to cook until the temperature reached 220 degrees Fahrenheit.